Welcome to JH. I recently gave the Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds a spin, and the first thing that hit me, besides the realization that I'm now officially a tech-obsessed hermit, was how comfortable they feel right out of the case. The fit is snug but surprisingly light, making it easy to wear them for hours without feeling like your ears are being held hostage by expensive plastic. The sound quality is rich and immersive, featuring clear highs and deep bass that make everything from serious podcasts to your questionable 90s pop playlist sound far better than it has any right to. The noise cancellation is powerful enough to block out the crushing reality of the outside world, while the transparency mode lets in just enough ambient noise so you don't accidentally get flattened by a bus while crossing the street. What I really appreciate is the blend of comfort and premium performance, proving that we can actually have nice things if we're willing to pay this silence's golden tax. The touch controls are actually responsive for once, and the battery life easily survives a full day of avoiding human interaction. Overall, these are high-quality buds that deliver incredible sound and effective noise control, earning a permanent spot in my routine for whenever I need to ignore people with absolute style and clarity.